What if I told you that at 95 years old, a woman named Eleanor discovered a way to regain her strength, energy, and independence, without any miracle cures or expensive treatments? What if the secret to staying strong as you age isn't complicated, but instead lies in a few simple, science-backed habits? Now, imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize that getting out of bed feels harder than it used to. The stairs that once seemed effortless now leave you breathless. Even lifting everyday objects, things you never thought twice about, start to feel like a challenge. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Science tells us that after the age of 30, we begin losing muscle at a slow but steady pace, about 3% to 8% per decade. And after 60, the decline speeds up, leading to a condition called sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging, but here's the truth most people don't realize. It doesn't have to be inevitable. The right habits can slow, stop, and even reverse this decline. Eleanor was once full of life. She loved tending to her vibrant garden, cooking meals for her family, and taking long walks through her neighborhood, greeting everyone with a warm smile. But one day, everything changed. As she reached for a familiar pot in her kitchen, her hands trembled. The stairs she climbed effortlessly for years became a daunting challenge. A sense of unease crept in. Was this just exhaustion? Or was something bigger happening? A visit to the doctor confirmed her fears. Sarcopenia was silently stealing her strength. Her muscles were weakening, her mobility was declining, and without action, her independence could slip away. But instead of giving in, Eleanor made a choice. She refused to let aging define her. And that's when everything shifted. With just a few simple yet powerful changes backed by science, Eleanor not only stopped the decline, she reversed it. She regained her strength, her confidence, and her freedom. So, what exactly did she do? What are the 6 transformative habits that changed her life, and could change yours too? Stay with me, because the answers may surprise you. 1. The invigorating brush massage that awakened her muscles. Before stepping into her morning bath, Eleanor introduced a simple yet powerful ritual: dry brushing with a natural bristle brush. At first, it seemed like a small change, but the results were remarkable. This gentle massage did more than just refresh her skin. It kick-started her circulation, stimulating the lymphatic system and helping flush out toxins trapped in her tissues. Science backs up this age-old practice. Research shows that activating the mechanoreceptors in the skin through light brushing encourages blood vessels to expand, boosting oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles. Over time, Eleanor noticed a difference. Her morning stiffness eased, her muscles felt more supple, and an unexpected surge of energy carried her through the day. 2. The nourishing broth that restored her vitality. Each day, Eleanor indulged in a warm, soothing cup of bone broth, an ancient remedy packed with modern-day benefits. Rich in collagen, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, this nutrient-dense elixir became a cornerstone of her daily routine. But the real magic lay in its amino acids, glycine and proline, key building blocks that helped strengthen her joints, support muscle regeneration, and keep her body resilient. Science confirms what Eleanor experienced firsthand. Studies show that regular collagen intake, especially when combined with light physical activity, can enhance lean muscle mass in older adults. Over time, she felt the difference. Her movements became smoother, her muscles felt more supported, and a newfound sense of vitality flowed through her body with every sip. 3. The deep breathing that reawakened her muscles. Eleanor discovered a simple yet transformative breathing technique, one that required no equipment, no strenuous effort, just the power of her own breath. She practiced a rhythm of inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling slowly over 8. At first, it seemed almost too simple to be effective, but soon she felt its profound impact. This technique does more than just calm the mind. It stimulates the vagus nerve, activating the body's relaxation response and reducing oxidative stress, a major culprit in muscle deterioration as we age. But the benefits didn't stop there. With each controlled breath, Eleanor delivered a fresh surge of oxygen to her muscle tissues, supporting recovery, reducing stiffness, and promoting better endurance. Over time, this effortless habit helped her feel more energized, more in tune with her body, and stronger than she had in years. The simple tool that reignited her strength. Eleanor didn't need fancy gym equipment to rebuild her strength. Just a simple wooden stick became her secret weapon. Every day, she used it to perform gentle yet effective functional exercises, engaging her major muscle groups with movements designed to mimic everyday activities. It seemed almost too easy at first, but the results spoke for themselves. Science backs up her experience. Research shows that even light resistance exercises can significantly boost muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. With consistency, Eleanor noticed profound changes. Her upper and lower body grew stronger, her posture improved, and her balance became steadier, reducing her risk of falls. The key: these exercises didn't just work her larger muscles. They activated the often overlooked stabilizer muscles essential for mobility and independence. What started as a simple routine soon became her daily source of strength, restoring not just her physical power, but also her confidence in every step she took. The power foods that recharged her body. Eleanor didn't just focus on movement. She fueled her body with the right nutrition to support her strength and vitality. She began incorporating a vibrant mix of nutrient-dense foods into her daily meals: quinoa, berries, seeds, and leafy greens. But these weren't just ordinary foods. They were packed with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and E, polyphenols, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which helped combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and slowing muscle degradation. One of her biggest game changers was quinoa, a plant-based protein powerhouse that provided all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Research supports what Eleanor experienced firsthand. A diet rich in antioxidants can help preserve muscle mass and promote long-term strength as we age. With every bite, she wasn't just nourishing her body. She was actively protecting it, ensuring that every step she took was backed by the strength of nature's best ingredients. 6. Barefoot walking. Reconnecting with nature's strength. Eleanor discovered one of the simplest yet most profound ways to restore her body: walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, sand, and smooth stones. This practice, known as earthing or grounding, wasn't just about feeling the earth beneath her feet. It was about reconnecting with nature in a way that revitalized her entire body. Science reveals that direct contact with the earth allows free electrons to flow into the body, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce systemic inflammation, a key factor in aging and muscle decline. But the benefits didn't stop there. Walking without shoes also strengthened the stabilizer muscles in her feet and ankles, improving her balance and lowering her risk of falls. At 95, Eleanor now moves with confidence and strength. She starts each day feeling grounded, both physically and mentally, walking through her garden, savoring every step with a sense of freedom she once feared losing. Her story proves that no matter your age, simple yet powerful habits can transform your life, restoring vitality in ways you never imagined. Now that you've discovered these 6 powerful habits, I'd love to hear from you. Which one resonates with you the most? Are you ready to start your day with an invigorating brush massage, fuel your body with nourishing foods, or take a grounding walk barefoot? Let me know in the comments. I read every response. If you've made it this far, your feedback means the world to me. Your thoughts help us continue bringing you valuable and practical insights to support your journey toward strength and vitality. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to connect with you in the next video.